What do you think, Ray? Do you think we should do a fish room update? Hi guys, so quick fish room update. May not be quick. We have a few things to tell you about. So this is the hallway aquarium, our worst aquarium in the house. We don't make any effort with this one. Definitely need to get in there and do something, maybe some dragon rock and a few plants. Currently we're just using it for crossbreeding endless and guppies to see what comes out. But right now they are a cross between a yellow cobra guppy and a Santa Maria Enla. We've got two different phenotypes showing up. Here's one. I should add, they're not coloured up yet. They need at least 3, maybe 4 more weeks before they reach their full colour. And there's a lot of babies that are younger. So that's the yellow cobra phenotype. And let's see if we can find a Santa Maria, which is around here somewhere.
A few moments later.
Finally, after resorting to an algal waiver, we finally have.
You don't know that I'm filming you, but I'm actually filming you. Yes, we finally have them out. So you can see our phenotype right here. Okay, so here's a kind of nice example. And another one. Kind of have the Santa Maria top black bar, but not so much the bottom orange bar, orange red. It looks like even when they're fully coloured up, they won't develop that part of the Santa Maria. So quite interesting to see what a guppy and Enla hybrid looks like. Yeah, so I'll come back to them in a couple of weeks. The dogs are just harassing me tonight. Guys, you really won't like this. It's just Pleco wafers. Do you want to try? You won't like it? Okay, here you go. Okay, you do like it. That must have been a fluke. Try another one. Really, Rogue? Okay, let Loki have one. Or you just have them all, Rogue. Oh wow. So Tetra, I've got an idea for a product. If you want to contact me, 50% royalties. On to the next aquarium. Not much going on in here. Santa Maria, the pure Santa Marias. There's quite a few babies colouring up in here. Still the same, a few yellow Neo Caridina. And that's pretty much that. Going back to this aquarium, we do have some
Colour morphs of the blue diamond Neocarolinas.
which again aren't around. Oh, there's one. Look, it's like red and blue. Focus. It's just not. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So we've separated these guys out so we can see if we can get a line of these.
They're my favourite so far.
Red and blue Neos. So we'll see what we can do with these guys. And that's it for the hallway. There's another one of the glass. Just amazing colours on these guys. Okay, let's move on to the fish room. Okay, so moving into the fish room, what's new? Oh yeah, let's start with my wife's contribution. So this is one of my Valentine's Day gifts. I mean, that's pretty freaking sweet. And I'm not sure about the candles and roses. Makes us like stalkers. I'm sure we can do something better than this in the way of a shrine for Corey. I think it's something in the way of a sacrifice, maybe a loach.
Exclamation point Rasboras.
What do you think, babe? Can we do an exclamation point Rasbora?
Yeah, why not? If that's what Corey recommends.
Yeah, to be fair, he does have the best suggestions when it comes to stocking tanks. So anyway, that's our Corey from Aquarium Co-op Shrine. He's pretty awesome. Corey. This is another one of our experimental aquariums. We have mixed a female metal black lace with a yellow tiger and lamelle. I need a couple more weeks to fully colour up, well, maybe a week and a half, so we're planning on doing a separate video on these guys, show you in more detail of the phenotypes that arrived for them. So yeah, check back on us in a week or two and we'll have a video about these guys.
Another new addition to our fish room is this vat/indoor pond. This holds 100 gallons of water for all you Americans, or 454 litres to us Brits. As you can see, my husband's DIY is not all that, but he tries his best, bless him. This pond houses our Staic Endlers, which are currently our fave. The original Staic aquarium is getting a bit overcrowded, so we've decided to purchase this to expand the colony.
So other new additions to our fish room are some white cloud mountain minnows. These are the long fin variety. Absolutely loving these guys. Hoping to breed them, but we'll see. Also in this aquarium are some white Moscow guppies. We have a metal black lace female with them that we're going to do another cross with, see how that pans out. And a lot of rabbit snails, baby rabbit snails. There's around 30 right now. Other than that, yeah, some red rilly shrimp. These are new to the fish room. I'm hoping to get these breeding soon. And the last update in our fish room would be over here, which are the false flying foxes. Originally sold to us as the true flying foxes, but turns out they're not. They're a species of Gara. A stunning fish in and of themselves, but we're not that happy because we originally wanted true flying foxes. So we're giving them a couple of weeks in here just to grow out a little, and then we're going to be adding them over here to our community aquarium. So that'll be the next video. Hopefully they don't get eaten. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's our fish room update. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.